Hello guys, today I am gonna be making little Popin cookies, cooking ramen noodles and stuff like that. It's basically like candy. But you don't have to bake it in the oven. If you're wondering what that guy is, he's Aiden, my little brother. Okay, say hi. Hi. Okay, so today my mom and dad will be preparing scissors and a glass of water. So if you're wondering how to open it, you see the first bit. Then you flip it over. And you see the bit that says open at the end right there. Okay? And you pull that tab off. Okay. And then goodbye. The bag. There's anything. There's nothing good inside it. Because he always takes it out. Yes, I know. I want to try some of it. And guys, when you open the bag, do not like whip this yellow thing. I think we need it inside. Alright, so if you guys open it, you see it comes with a toothpick, a little mini fork, you see, a mold for yellow pudding, and like 5 bags of powder. So, in this bag, I guess. Alright, so it has instructions in the back. It says add water to the cup until it's half full. Okay. I need help. I need to fill it up halfway. Halfway for this little. Yeah, halfway. It says it on the first section. Pour water halfway.
But you see, I'm the show.
Then you pour it all in.
And you see what? I got those.
Guys, but before you might like want to mix it with the spoon. Alright guys, I'm mixing it. What is it? It says it will be firm in 10 minutes. So just leave it on the side for now, I guess. Oh, it's good. Alright, then second step, it says we're gonna be making pour water up to the line on that. And then add the powder. Wait, let's see. What does it say? Alright, it says pour water up to the line. And the X-ray. So guys, you see there's a line in the tray in the store one. I just need a teeny bit of water left. Alright guys, after that, you see this blue dough powder, okay? Then you slowly open the bag. And you see there's some like whitish powder inside. If you guys don't see it, it's okay. Okay, so careful for all of it inside. Then it says mix until thick. So I think I'm supposed to mix it with a fork. Oh my! This is kind of turning into dough. Okay, mixing it, guys. It's super squishy. I'm mixing the dough.
That's really good.
Drop it. And I smell it. It smells like candy. This dough is good. I'm not gonna mix it, you know. I'm just actually gonna take it out. So if you guys want to pour out the tray, it's turning into dough. This is okay. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. Don't use your hands if you were me. Now it says there are 2 pieces of the dough. Guys, you see the molds right here? I have to carefully do it. Shape it in the molds. I put in the mold, this eggy mold, I guess. And now I have to take it out carefully. Pop out eggs, eggy mold. Oh, I made the cute little egg mold, but then I removed it. Okay, and do it with the other one, which is a story-shaped one, I guess. I don't know. And guys, be careful by the edges, the point. Don't just tell me that if you see me. Okay, it's pretty good right now. You can't see it guys, but it's okay. And if you guys want to see my egg, here it is. Okay. Aww, and then guys, look. I made this cute little spiral. And next, we're gonna be making the guys dough. Okay, the remaining dough. It says spread one dough to evenly. I have to cut out this. And then do this. We shape it inside, I guess. The same size as a circle. So I'm carefully shaping it into this, but I'm not pushing it on. I'm just carefully squishing it here. Okay, guys, my mom barely helped me cut it, which is right here. It's cool. I keep on squishing it. Now I'm just making one of these, even though I'm supposed to be making 2. Okay, but I'm just making one, guys. Okay, guys, then it says from powder from the wet packet. From this wet packet. Will you give me a little glass bowl? It doesn't say I need the instructions, but I still need this ingredient for later. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. It's like wearing ingredients. So delicious. I'll try some. Right? Like, just for me pressing it on these, sprinkle it on this side. Keep on sprinkling on this side again. Keep sprinkling. Then guys, look, I did it like this. Then you carefully fold it like this. Then hold, press, press. Guys, I keep on going, press the edges in here. Wait guys, did I do this? Oh, so cute, guys. Look, I made a guy always a dumpling. Look how cute, guys. It's so cute. Do it. Guys, it says, It also said it's super cute. Hey guys, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm making the spring roll. Okay. Oh guys, you see the bag? You could make a little mold. Use it as a mold. And press on it to make a perfect little circle. Alright guys, I made this circle. And then I put some powder. Okay guys, so I put some sprinkles all over it. Alright guys, look what I barely made. There's a cute spring roll. On the sides, it shows you sticky tie. I made another spring roll.
Cute.
Okay guys, the next step is my favorite step. We're making more noodles. It says pour water up to the line in the this. Okay, let's see. Alright guys, I did it like that. Okay, now guys, next step it says add the powder from the brown packet. Let's see. Ooh, okay, pour all of it, I guess. And then I probably maybe want to stir it. So sweet and delicious. Okay, what's after that? Your store. I poured some water again up to that line in this tray. Then after that, it really does say to, oh, I'm holding it upside down. Pierce the corner. Okay, Daddy, I need help with this bit. Come. Wait, look, I need to carefully. I need you to use this little fork and then put all of this yellow stuff inside this bag. Dad, don't throw the brown stuff away. We still need it. Baby center. Okay. And then I cut the end of this. Where's the soup? I pour it in the soup, I guess. Oh no. This isn't working out, guys. Then guys, we have to open this toothpick thing, I guess. And do not leave a copy me. We were actually supposed to do this. Then poke a hole. Okay, then we can do zigzags on this bit. But look, if we cut it the hole, do not do that. Skip ahead, guys. Do that. colorful toothpick. Oh, this is super mushy. I'm doing something wrong. I don't really know.
That's okay.
It's okay.
That's fine.
It's super mushy. Oh, look at the boiled egg. And put it on top of this noodle soup. Okay, then we're all done. Nice. Wait, not all done. You have to flip the pudding over. You got pudding. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. That wasn't me. Hey, what is this? I just made this.
You gotta eat all of those?
Yep. Yeah.
Is
so
it
we-
good?
The soup is delicious.
How does it taste like?
Real
Like sweet or salty?
sweet.
What's inside? Let me see.
The sprinkle.
Oh, how is it?
Real. See you next time.